Hello, good afternoon.
Oh, nice, yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Please, I'm interested in this car, the Tundra.
The Tundra?
Yes, please. I love it. How much is it going for?
Oh, $40,000.
$40,000. Oh, it's so expensive.
Oh, but it's cool. It's cool.
Oh, I don't know if my husband can afford this.
Oh, you try
But
to
I
buy
love
for
it.
You try to go for it.
It's too expensive. How much is your G-Wagon?
It's $100,000.
$100,000.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Why is everything so expensive?
Oh, everything is all
Do you have a Bentley? I think I need a Bentley.
Eventually, I don't have. Let me call my boy. Hey, Bama, Daniel. Blah, no pressure, ba. I said, eventually. Oh,
Buy no to see you. They make money.
Who need Bentley? Oh,
but
This
when have it been?
But this is
Okay.
Asumadi, Yanku, Asumadi,
Oh, they're for number. Maybe a Bentley. Maybe a pink one.
Nanama,
Oh.
what? Bring your phone. What's your name? What's your name? Do you know me? She's my wife. She's my wife. She's my wife. What's your number? What's your number? Hey, this sir, bring your phone, sir. I said the Biaban on Pro Hanum. What to plan? I said, when I get out of the gym, it's more football now. Do rest.
What do you know?
I got me when you're hey, I got my dad's fucking found foul. Got my dad's fucking foul. To be go foul. Can the phone foul? Very mama foul. Yeah, mama fool. Mama fool. What about for me? Go back. I got 8 I go back for. We know what for.
$100,000.